Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jessica and I'm a part-time reseller on Poshmark and Mercari, and today's video is going to be mainly focused on Poshmark and how to use this tactic to help increase your sales. So without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Now I'm going to be talking about something that you can put in your actual listing on Poshmark for your items that can help people find your item. So we all know that in Mercari you can do something called tags, and you can actually put in the tags. Let's say, for example, it's this dress that I'm wearing right now that's red and polka dots, and the tags that I would use would be dress or Minnie Mouse or Mickey Mouse, because it's kind of like that Disney theme. I could even put Disney World. Vacation, something that goes along the idea of where you would wear this dress. What is the similar theme to this dress? Another example is, let's say that there is a festival t-shirt that you purchased to resell that you could wear. Someone could wear this at a music festival. So in the tags on Mercari, you would put festival wear, music festival, boho or hippie or just festival. So these are different tags that you can put on Mercari. Well, on Poshmark, we do not have the option. There is no tag section for like these hashtags. There's no section like that. So what I've seen other people doing and what I've tried myself is to put your own tag on your Poshmark listings. Now I'm going to just do this and go through it with you guys for an example. So I have pulled up my Poshmark closet as well. But before I show you, I wanted to tell you the reason why I think this is a good idea. Now obviously you don't have to do this. Some people might think it's stupid. Some people might think it's a really great idea. But I'm just looking at it as a way for your customer to find your items. So we all know that there's hundreds and hundreds of people on this app, and how are you going to get to their search? Like when they're searching for an outfit to wear to a music festival or a country music concert, how are they going to find your item? So what I'm going to show you is how I am putting tags, like hashtags or tags, into my listing. So I want to find one that there's like a theme that goes with it. So okay, we'll do this blazer right here. So I have this cabby black blazer. It's very chic, very career style. And here's just, I'm going to show you like a few more pictures of what it looks like. It's in excellent condition. Here's the back of it. You can see it's like sheer on the sleeve, so very stylish, I would say. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through this listing with you and show you how I would add my own tags. Again, you want to think of what the customer would be searching for. Now, another reason why I think this is a great tactic is because when someone types in career jacket, career blazer, music festival wear, festival concert t-shirt, your tags that you're putting into your listing will help bring up your item. Similar to when you put anything in the title that helps your item come up, whether, based off of what that person's typing in the search engine. And then also whatever's in the description box, which is right here what I'm about to show you, whatever's in the description box also through Poshmark gets pulled up. And the reason that I know that that actually works is because I tried it, typed in festival wear. I was looking for to purchase those Joanna Gaines. Y'all know I'm obsessed with her. Those Joanna Gaines like feather, like fake leather feather earrings, and I just typed in Joanna Gaines, and all of these listings came up. There was like gingham style, everything. There was the earrings that I was looking for. There was like the Magnolia Home stuff. But anyways, people put these words into their description. So when I searched them on Poshmark, those listings automatically came up, even if the item wasn't like didn't say Joanna Gaines or anything like that. Because they used those words in the description, that's why the item came up. So that made me lead to the idea of putting tags, quote unquote, like hashtags, tags, into the description box. So let's go back to my listing, and again, we're doing this black blazer, and underneath, this is something that your customers don't really need to see. I mean, of course, there's nothing wrong with them seeing your tags that you're doing, but it's not like, it doesn't need to be at the top of the description. So under the measurements, I'm going to hit enter a couple of times, and I'm going to put tags so that the customer knows what it is. They're not just seeing a bunch of random words. I'm going to make it known that, yes, this is a tag. This is how I'm helping my customer find my item that I want to offer them. And I'm going to give this blazer listing a theme. So I'm going to put career style. I'm going to put chic blazer. I'm going to put, what else can I put? Career style, chic blazer, evening wear, work attire, office clothing, anything that makes sense for what the person can purchase, or what the person might put into the search engine to help find your item, and draws their attention to where or why they might wear this item. I hope that makes sense. So career style, chic blazer, evening wear, work attire, office clothing. You know, there's like so many different ways that you could put this in. So then I would just save it, update, and list this item. So now that it's updated, that's what it looks like. It's just tags, career style, chic blazer, evening wear, work attire, office clothing. Let's do another one. Okay, we're gonna do, the next one is going to be this Lily Pulitzer pair of shorts. I have had difficulty selling these shorts. I've had these for a few months. I think because the size is like really small. I don't know. I've had like a difficult times trying to sell it. So again, maybe like you don't want to do this for every single item. Maybe just do it for items that really are not selling at all, or that are like super popular that you want people to find it like ASAP. So just keep that in mind. You don't have to do it for every single item because it might be a little time consuming, but just items that really need help selling. Okay, so the tags for this one, I'm thinking like a beach theme. I'm thinking summertime. I'm thinking vacation. Let's see. So we'll put beach wear, vacation outfit. Let's see. Beach, vacation, summer, spring. What else? Summer, spring, outdoor, shorts. So anything that has to do with like, because you want to go off of the theme of what the person will be looking for. When they're wearing these shorts, they're most likely going to be outdoors at some type of event maybe, or just out and about. It's definitely going to be worn in the spring or summer, so definitely include that. It could be worn at the beach. It could be worn on vacation. So include those types of tags. So list this item. All right, let's do a few more. Go back to my closet. And it doesn't have to be long. You can have like a short number of tags. It doesn't have to be anything fancy or really long. Okay, so let's see here. We'll go to this bikini top, and we will put in tags. So obviously you're gonna wear this at the beach. You could wear this on vacation. You could wear it to the pool. Let's see, beach, vacation, pool. So yeah, that's basically it. Beach, vacation, pool. We'll just leave it at that. Because if anyone puts that in, I'm sure that would, either bikinis would come up or like a bikini cover, something like that. So it doesn't have to be like super creative or unique, because you want to do something that is more common that someone would actually look up. And we'll just do one more. So this one I actually did a little while ago. I put tags right here at the bottom, and I put dress, beach cover-up, vacation outfit. The dress looks like this. I did wear this one time on vacation 1 month ago, and I loved it. So yeah, dress, beach cover-up, vacation outfit, done. It doesn't have to be long. It doesn't have to be super fancy. Just enough to like try to get someone to come to that item. Okay, then this one I also did for this American flag shirt. That's Lucky Brand. I put American flag, America. I don't know, someone might look that up. I put 4th of July. You could do like United States, United States of America. You could put country, concert, t-shirt, because you could definitely wear that to like a country concert. That'd be really cute. All tied up. I might do that actually if no one buys this. But yeah, that's basically it. I just wanted to show you guys a quick video on something that I think would be helpful that I've never showed you guys before. Really simple. It's simply just a way for people to find your listing, but definitely make sure you don't just like write it in there. Make sure you make it known, yes, this is a tag, because someone will be like, country America, 4th of July, what? Why is she writing this? But if you put it as it's a tag, then people understand, because you can't hide any of the text in your description. So just make it known that's what the words are for. So I hope you guys found this kind of helpful. If you do use it and you think it's helpful, please let me know. I love hearing your feedback on, I love when people comment and say that the stuff that I'm talking about is working for them, because that's the whole goal, is to help you guys with your sales. And if I can help in any way to help you guys make money, that's so cool. So please let me know if you do try this, or if you already have been trying it already and it works for you, let me know. I'd love to hear. But thank you guys so much for watching and supporting my YouTube channel. I truly appreciate it so much. And I'm excited to keep making more videos for you guys. Please feel free to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed the idea and the content, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye!